Hey guys, I don't know if you remember, but last year I had planted cherry tomatoes. You see these plants behind me? These are cherry tomatoes. I have the last 2 years I have planted them. They never got more than a foot tall, but I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you guys what's going on in my garden, and it's going crazy. So these are those cherry tomatoes I was talking about, and as you can see, maybe, hopefully, they're loaded with tomatoes all over the place, and beetles. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about those. Look at this. These are yellow ones, and they are just huge and loaded. Our broccoli, which we've already harvested, look how gigantic those got to be, and we got 4 really good. And then my cucumbers, I've only been gardening for 3 years, and I use the term gardening very loosely. But these are my cucumbers, loaded with blooms. I'm hoping to get cucumbers when I get back. We're getting ready to go on a trip. But these cherry tomatoes have taken over this garden. Crazy. But I do have some red bell peppers coming. These, ooh, I think we'll get rid of that. That looks nasty. Ooh. These are supposed to turn into black bell peppers. And then way hiding in here, I do have some actual green bell peppers that are coming. Just crazy. Now, my Roma tomatoes, which usually take off, haven't even got to the top of the tomato cages. But they are loaded with tomatoes, and I should have red tomatoes sometime in the next week or two, because look at this. They're just crazy. We have had so much rain. What I'm out here to do is to collect some of my jalapenos. Already got a ton of them in the house, but if I don't pick them, I doubt the kids will come out and do anything. I'll ask them, but look at that one. We got a good rain yesterday, the last couple of days. Look at that one. I'll leave a couple and see if the kids will pick them for me. This is a Thai chili plant. My other cucumbers that I thought wouldn't even make it are taking over this garden. Just moving it all over. Anyway, this is my Thai chili plant. They're supposed to turn red and yellow and orange, so just kind of waiting. I might have to just start picking them because some of them look like they might be getting bad before they change. So tell me what you think about those. Should I pick them or leave them? And then this is my other cucumber plant. Well, it's 2 cucumber plants, but Russ put a tomato cage out here to catch this one because it was growing off to the side, so he put it in a tomato cage so it could have some place to go besides all over the garden. But they're taking over my marigolds. I'm gonna have to get rid of some of those leaves too. And then these are my poblano peppers, and these did not turn out last year, but look at this. This one. These look really good, and they're already here. Last year was almost September before I even saw any. But I think next year I am gonna go back to planting my own plants. This year I bought burpee plants, and this is what they did. I'm not disappointed that they did so well, but I was expecting little plants like I had, and that is not the case. They must super breed these things. So got some peppers. I already harvested all of the broccoli, so I'm not going to get any more of that. But yeah, this is my garden, guys. It's just going crazy. This is a 4 foot by 8 foot garden bed, and those tomatoes almost They take up a good third of the garden, and there's just 4 of them. And like I said last year, they didn't get more than a foot tall. So guys, tell me what you think about the garden. Tell me if you've got any advice for what to do with these crazy plants. Should I just cut them all back to where the tomatoes are and let them, and get rid of some of the bigger leaves, and like the cucumbers, I know I got to get rid of some of those. Tell me what you do about beetles. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I know this isn't a cooking video, but we did say we would do some gardening and some craft ideas and some food reviews. So it's not just all about cooking. This channel will have some other things on it. I don't do a whole lot of gardening videos, but I will show you an update when I finally start harvesting the tomatoes and things, when they start turning colors, so you can see that. And also tell me what you think about those chili peppers. Should I go ahead and pick them while they're green and make some green sauce with it or something like that? I don't know. I'm getting advice. I've never planted those before. I did plant some last year, but I didn't get any peppers, so this is the first time. Thumbs up to Burpee for whatever you put in your plants, but I think I will go back to planting my own seeds next year because I can't handle all this stuff. I've never canned, so I'm going to have to learn how to can, and I'm going to have to learn how to pickle and try to take care of all these cucumbers that are going to be coming, hopefully. And I think that's it for today, so I'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.